Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 steps that can help you build wealth starting from scratch. Number 1 is what most of you are thinking about: finding a job. You need to get something that you do that brings in money into your pocket, and you get what we call an income, or what we call cash flow. You need to get cash flow. You need to get money coming into your pocket. That is the very first step on the journey of building wealth. And step number 2 is to start saving. Now that you have that money coming in, you need to sit down and create a budget on how you're going to spend that money. You need to split that money into percentages, and you need to get a percentage that goes to saving. You need to save a certain percentage of that money coming in. And step number 3, guess what? Is investing. Now that you have that money saved aside, you need to look for avenues where you can invest that money. The goal of saving is not just to save. The goal of saving is to invest. And the goal of investing is to multiply your money, is to grow your money. So you need to find avenues where you can invest your money. Consider subscribing to this channel, because I've been dropping more videos on finance. You don't want to miss out. See you in the next one.